I looked at, he was looking right too. Like, dude, that was 20 yards.
Well, guys, welcome to the 2022 turkey season. Fired up to be here. It's our first time out. We are in Tennessee. We just arrived yesterday. We're hunting with our good buddies Andy Melton and David Williams, just east of Nashville here. So, hoping we can get on some birds. Heard we're doing a fun hunt today. We are heading out on their boats. They got two boats, and we're going to be listening for gobbles throughout the river bottom, the water bottom, the valley. The lake bottom, I don't know what to call it, but we're going to listen for them up in the hills, and we're going to chase after them there. They got some camera guys in camp. They're part of, not camp, in town at their place. They're part of the Midwest Whitetails, and they're starting their own series up this spring, their own turkey series up with them. So pretty cool stuff. They're going to be busy. We're going to be busy, and hoping we can get on one this morning pretty quick. Weather's going to be chilly these first 2 days, but goes 70s after towards the latter part of the week that we're here. So should be a good time. Excited. These guys are literally some of my favorite dudes ever. It's just laughs the entire time.
We're probably going to do some alcohol because we'll try to get some respond, and then once we hear something, we're going after it. This is the coolest thing ever. By the way, I did not introduce David. David, say hello. Hey, you gotta see the good-looking face. You had to take
the mask off so you can see how pretty I am.
He's hot.
Okay. You guys want him?
Y'all want to go first? Go for it, man.
Every time I crow call, he's gobbling. There's another one further back.
Well,
You guys go
let's drop them off at the first one. Yeah, we'll drop you off at the first one. It's time.
That'll be good. Alright, so Andy got a bird gobbling up over this knob right here, so David's gonna drop us off on this side. He's still gonna roost, they said, so we're gonna work up over the hill and just kind of wait at the top and call him. As soon as he pops it down, we're gonna blast him. But they're gonna go off after another bird up the lake. So that's the plan, and let's hope we can execute. Mounts, buddy. Sit right here. Face this way. I don't know if he's gonna come up this hill or not, dude. I think he's on the other side of the lake. It's so hard to tell. It's such a drop off right there. I don't want to go up and bust them, but like at the same time, I kind of want to get my bearings of where the lake is. Is that the lake down there? look, we have to be eye level with him. He sounds super close. I just think that lake's in between us. I don't think he's on our side. There's only 50 yards to the lake. Be careful, it's gonna break, dude. Well, I don't know if you heard what we're doing, but the turkey's on the other side of the ridge across this covey, so we're gonna try to snoop around, and I think he's back in a little covey on the other side of this lake. So I'm hoping this is not a river, and I hope we can get around this. If not, we have a long walk back to the boat. We'll cut up that ravine right there on the slope and call on top.
We saw him, we've been chasing all morning. He's still in the tree. We made our way around the embankment. We saw our other guys climbing up. They pointed around to us. We're kind of at a standstill here because we don't know what to do. We're just waiting for him to get down on the tree, I guess. But
just spent the morning working one bird that was literally on its roost the entire morning. It is now 9 o'clock. We've been working him since like 6, and he just flew away. I don't know what the situation. It was funny. We set up. We thought he was on another mountain, right across this like cove on this lake, and we set up on it, and it turned out he was across the little cove, set up over here. So we started making them move around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and we worked around. I saw them fishing, David and them, and they started working up the hill while we were already at the top. And I was like, hey guys, we're up here already. I mean, I wanted him to come kill it. I was like, I don't know what to do with this bird. So they probably should have tagged along. I should have told them like, hey, come on up. But run the foxpro calls and tried fanning them there at the end of this thing that they had. How horrible of a turkey hunter am I? I left all my decoys at home. So I had to borrow all some of their stuff. Luckily they have a ton of crap because they turkey hunt 24/7. But yeah. Good morning. A lot of working out. Luke's tired from walking these hills. My legs are gonna be a little beat too later, but
came off the roost and they just skirted us. They flew over there. They didn't come towards the decoy, but they're in the field over there, and we have a little bit of a knoll. We're gonna get down and get behind. Maybe we'll stay in the woods a little bit and close the distance and show them the fan and see if we can make something happen. So we're gonna give it a go. So I think there's this bush in between the fields. And I think once they get behind that bush compared to us, we're going to try to bushwhack them. We're going to scoot up and try to kill them. The only thing I'm worried about is I think there's more than 3 birds. I'm pretty sure there was 5. I only see 3 right now. So if we go out, they bust off, they're done. But we were close again. So freaking close. In the morning, I thought they came off that roost, and I thought they went over the hill, but they weren't even down yet. It just, for some reason, it sounded way further away, but they ended up flying down, pitching down, I don't know, 200 yards plus. It's snowing, so we got that going on. Yeah, they pitched down 200 yards. I showed them the fan, they didn't like it, they kept going through. There was 2 or 3 hens and 3 toms. And so then we spotted them in the field, the 3 toms. We army crawled. We walked through the woods a little bit, army crawled like 200-300 yards to this little gully right between the fields. And we had them I guarantee they were right over the hill at 50 yards, but as soon as we got there, a hen came out of the woods. And our goal was to just kind of creep forward slowly and bushwhack them and shoot them, but that hen screwed that plan for us. So I waited for him to just be able to see the tom's head. So able to see the tom's head, showed him the fan. They didn't want anything, and they were like 80 yards away. I trust that shot. I've never made a shot that long on a turkey, so I don't want to risk it. But man, we're on them here. I don't think David and Andy and them had any luck, but man, it was close, dude. It was close. And I can't believe it's snowing right now. Had all this Huntsworth gear on and keeping me warm with them extra layers. But you know what wasn't warm was when I had to poop in the woods this morning. I had to do a panic poop. I'm interested in seeing what my shirt looks like. Hold on.
Turn around.
What did it say on the back? Bro, I'm gonna start rocking this everywhere, dude. I wore this everywhere this summer. Just be like, yeah, hello gut now. So that's funny as crap. I'm glad it turned out. That was a smooth cut.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. Just got out of the shower, and I told Luke we were gonna do something before we came to Tennessee. We were gonna do stashes for strutters. We're gonna start a hashtag. Probably won't get anywhere, but it'll be fun. I'm gonna shave off all this right here, and I bought just for men's. Hold on, where's it at? I bought just for men's, and I'm gonna put it and dye my mustache like black. Mistakes were made. It stained my skin. This looks but look at, I got a stash and there's color to it. Maybe it don't look too bad. We're gonna go show Luke right now.
It stained my skin. It looks legit though. Stashes for strutters, folks. Let's go.
What do you think of the new look?
You went stash.
I went stash and
You
I
went
used
stash.
just for men's hair dye. It dyed my skin though.
Hey, we're gonna have something to change your look.
That's his natural call, by the way. He don't gotta call. It's his mouth. Trying to find some gobblers this morning. Sounds like they're on that property we were on the other day. We were trying to bushwhack them. So we're gonna drop off this ridge, I think, and try to get on some here. So we'll see how we get up to it.
still beautiful out, man.
It is nice out.
Beautiful day.
I
Can't complain too much.
thought it was gonna be super windy. You know, we were up on top.
It's dead down here.
It's nice down here.
I really thought the mustache would bring out some turkeys today.
It's going to.
Is it?
I still feel it's gonna work.
I think so. As you can tell, we're checking properties and looking at fields. And we might have something.
There's a hen right down here. She's coming right around.
Is she?
So I'm gonna guess there's a gobbler down there.
Okay.
Do you wanna?
He wants to set up something. Come up with something.
She's right there at that big cedar tree.
Okay.
Comes around this way. So if you guys want to, I think you can do. I don't know if I want you to get downhill. You could get, if you wanted to get.
Kind of a tough spot.
There's gobbled.
Yep.
Two of them.
Yeah.
Hey, they're here. How do you want to do it?
Dude, it don't matter.
Do you just want to take this up, or do you want me to try to pull them by so you can get some
What's
good
easier?
footage?
Is it going to be tough to set up back here? Doesn't look like it.
The only bad thing is when they get up here and see the truck.
That is true.
Or do you want to stay behind me and just get right over the shoulder, and
Yeah,
whenever
we
I
can
start
do that.
coming, I'll just say, lean right beside me.
That works.
You want to do that?
Let's do that.
You want to ease up and get some footage of them down there?
Do you want to ease up and get footage? I
Or
can
do you want to just?
We can just make it happen. We'll make it happen. Not worried about it. Oh, I see him. They're straight ahead, right below that tree. Straight ahead. Back up.
Let them come as far as they will, get good footage. Hey, let him tuck in behind you a little bit.
You want him? They knocked the head off me.
Hey, when they gobbled, I knew they was here.
Dude, they was right there.
I was like, this is
Dude, thanks,
it's
bro.
gonna happen quick. I knew it was gonna happen quick.
I came up over that hill perfect.
Oh,
I put some work in today for him. And the hey dudes are the sup guys.
sweet. It was quick. It happened quick, man.
Surprised he's still not kicking around.
Oh, you smashed.
Oh,
God. How you like that red dot?
that thing's nice.
It's nice, ain't it?
Took some time today to make this happen. We started off another property and
worked the whole ridge where we've been hunting earlier this week, and they were gobbling. They just shut up, and literally first place we stopped at after leaving there, we come up over the hill, he sees a hen, then we hear him gobble while we're right there, and he backed us off right off perfect, and it worked.
Well, that's what sucks about this place, but it's great about this place. Coming in, when you're coming into the property, where this field right here, it's right beside the driveway, right beside the road. And so you take a risk whenever you drive in of spooking them off. So a lot of times we have to come in and, you know, kind of ease up over the hill and check and see if they're there. And if they're there and they see that, then you pretty much just got to sit down, you know. And when they gobbled, we knew they were here. I was just like, oh, we can make this happen.
It happened, right, man.
Way to go.
Dude.
Leave me hanging.
Hey, thanks, brother.
Hey,
I appreciate that a ton,
it.
man. Did it get? Well,
No,
the stash
the
did it.
stash did
I
it.
forgot I had the stash for a second. Hey, stashes for strutters. This is what it's about right here. Well, guys, that wraps up Tennessee for us. And now we are on to Kansas. But man, like I said, I'm super thankful for this dude right here. It's a freaking legend. him and David, I call them the most iconic hunting duo in Tennessee hunting history.
Yeah.
They get after it. You guys kill birds.
We try.
But wish David was here for it too, but we'll go by. We'll swing
go
by
see
and say
him.
hello to him.
We'll go see him.
You like that? Dude, I died.
I see that.
It got on the skin last night. It's not even my stash, it's my skin, bro. It's crooked.
It's awesome, dude. I love it. Congratulations,
Thanks, man. Took a little bit, but we got her done.
That was
It
awesome.
was the stash that did it, though.
I can't get over it.
But it was.
It's a hack what? You know, tied up. It's a little crooked, ain't it?
No, it's
I
pretty
think it looks
solid,
good.
but
It looks
you
good.
can see the skin.
Uh-huh.
In the picture, I couldn't tell
No,
in the
you
video.
can't tell from far away, so
It
the
was
ladies
awesome.
won't run away from you right away. But
Until they get close to you, and they're like, what
we're
the-
starting up the hashtag stashes for strutters. So it's gonna.
You gotta bring your
So
stash.
you're gonna.
I'm
you should bring
done.
it back.
No, you bring your stash back.
Oh, I usually do during turkey season, but I don't think I will.
I'm just glad that was my first time here. We killed one because Matt didn't get one. So now
Yeah.
redemption for Buzzbus. Matt, if you're watching this, I redeemed your bird for you, bud. He missed one here.
Yeah, I
like
think
4
he
or
had a
5 years
broadhead
ago.
mark, you know, from that crossbow. Right,
Right on the inner thigh, right there.
Some feathers right there, I think, you know. But hey,
Good
it happens.
stuff. Good stuff. All right, let's bail out.